Hey, morning everyone. I just wanted to make a video of a project I picked up from Facebook, and I wanted to share with all these YouTube people. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the project I found. It's a 2011 Camaro SS convertible. The front end damage. I already cut the bumper support off, and so I could get a better look at what all needed to be repaired and replaced. But it's not too bad. The motor didn't get hit, it even has the belt still on it. Both the frame rails pushed over, so we're gonna have to take some measurements from the other front end I picked up and straighten them back out, and then cut and section them off. Got a dent here in the subframe, but I also got a replacement for that. The core support damage doesn't really exceed this point here, right where it's welded on. Strut towers and everything like that all look to be in line. I'll use a tram gauge though, and just to double check, make sure everything's square. Yeah, so this is the replacement. Instead of going and buying all brand new parts from the factory, I went and bought the same year, same trim model Camaro front end from the shifter Ford from Continental Corvette in Bristol, Pennsylvania. This front's already stripped down. I still got to do a little bit more tearing down. I had to pull the airbag out and stuff like that. So yep, from the shifter Ford. So I got everything I need. It came with everything but the powertrain. All the other parts are over here.